Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Teal Geode Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, I'm going to be using Orly's Fleeced Meet You, along with I'm Easily Swayed and Skystone. For the base color, I'm going to be using Lux. Small correction, this is actually Orly Rage. And after I have that applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw from the center to the top and the bottom. Then I'm going to draw in some chevrons one direction and some curved chevrons perpendicular to that. Once I have finished the design, I'm going to decide where I want to dip my nails, then line up and dip in. After I've pulled my fingers slowly out, I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection and then move on to marbling my other nails. going to use a Q-tip to get any of the larger areas that were outside of the protection and underneath my nails. Then I'm going to go in for closer cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I like how this turned out, but it's nowhere near what I planned to do. When I received the Orly Loose Threads collection as PR, I was going to use the whole collection in a water marble, but I did some testing and added some other colors and eventually landed on this. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate this metallic base color that peeks through. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which includes all of the testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.